Hello, I am Rehna Salim, PhD student from the Department of Earth Sciences, IISc Bangalore. I'm here to give you a brief idea about the XRF machine. What we have here is the ZSX Primus IV by Rigaku. So XRF is basically a non-destructive analytical technique to analyze the elemental composition of materials. It's based on the principle that the primary X-ray beams will come and hit the sample, and the secondary X-rays are the fluorescent X-rays that we are going to analyze. Basically, with XRF, we can do two types of analysis: quantitative analysis and qualitative analysis. We'll measure the X-ray wavelength or energy for qualitative analysis and X-ray intensity for the quantitative analysis. The samples that we generally use for analysis are solid samples, powdered samples, and thin films. Here in our XRF machine, we are not able to use liquid samples. So there are some usage limitations for our XRF machine. We should take care of these things, that we should not use any inflammable samples, not the samples that melt at a very low temperature, which are highly volatile, and samples which may scatter or break during evacuation. So we should keep these things in mind before bringing our samples. And we usually keep our samples and standards in the desiccator, where a set temperature and humidity is maintained. The quantitative analysis in XRF is usually done by comparing the standards and samples. So when we are going for the analysis, quantitative analysis in specific, we have to make sure that we have calibrated our standards prior to the analysis. So standards are basically a certified reference material whose composition is known. Before using it for analysis, we have to make sure that the circuit breaker is on. When the circuit breaker is on, we can see it over here. The power on will blink, and it is the key switch over here. It is turned on. That means the X-ray is on, which we can detect on the X-ray on as are shown in the lamp. And the main parts that we have here is the automated sample changer. So here is where we interact with the machine. So here, as of now, we have 12 holders with the sample holders kept in place. Then what we have here is the analyzing chamber. When we are operating or when we are going for analysis, what happens is that the robotic arm will come and take the sample and take it to the sample chamber and then take it to the analyzing chamber for further analysis. Before operating, make sure that all the main unit covers and the doors are closed. And if you see anything strange or see any warning or error in the system, stop your work immediately and report it to the operator as soon as possible.